Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week we're going to talk about, I don't even know what to call it. I think it's a CF-33 to CF-31 dock adapter, but basically I'm going to show you what it's all about. So if your vehicle has the CF-31 dock in the vehicle, and you've been using 31s for a while, but then all of a sudden, wait, they stopped making 31s. Now I have a 33. How do I dock into my car without buying a whole new docking system? Well, Panasonic came out with the adapter, and this is what the adapter looks like. And the way it works is this. You will need a CF-33 light keyboard. There's no ports or anything like that on this keyboard. You can see where the tablet would normally fit. You got to push this all the way back like this, and then this actually will dock into the docking station, just like that. So you can see now I have the dock with the adapter with the keyboard installed, and then I take my tablet and I can push it in here like this, and bingo, I've got a laptop. And then if you take a look here, it actually almost is as thick as a CF-31. Well, the good news is you have a CF-31 mount that you have in your car, and all you do is dock it like that, and now you can use your CF-33 in a CF-31 powered dock, just like you have in your car for legacy use. That's what it's all about. I don't know why people wouldn't just buy a CF-33 dock, but if it saves you money, you can always get the adapter. That's basically all I got for you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.